Oh, nice to see you there. Wait, what time is it? Oh, it's hybrid trap time. No one really cares, but I have this hoodie and like people, and like when I go outside and there are people, I'm like, look, read this. Okay, so one thing I have to do is I have to plug this guy in. We need some mood. Oh, good. Oh, check this out. It's like really nice. Very nice. Okay. This is pretty low light situation. I hope you don't mind me being orange. So, ladies and gentlemen, you've been asking for another hybrid trap video, and I'm glad you like it. And well, we are doing another one. Let's just go. Let's just do it. So I am working on this heavy as frick sample pack. That wasn't supposed to be a sample pack. I was just exporting samples. What I like to do pretty often is I do like sample export sessions. So I, for example, make in January a lot of projects, like 50 projects, and then I take a couple of days to just export samples into one folder, and I call them like casual export. So yeah, I made this really heavy because recently I've been making a lot of hybrid trap, and that's the reason I have so many hybrid trap samples right now, really heavy ones. So let's switch the tempo to 155. I was making at 155 recently, and it's really great speed. This snare, oh my god, that is so heavy. Ooh. Made a couple of kicks too. Let's take these. So I am using this shop. I'm not sure if I showed you this already, but this is really cool plugin. Basically shows you the waveform of the sound, and you can just see what your sound looks like. It's really helpful for me, especially. I like to put this free clip on the whole drums and limit the volume. Okay, so now let's do some sound design. Let's just type growl, for example. Remove, normalize, crossfade. Automate the volume of. Gonna be pretty simple dubstep one. I like to do stages. Yeah, if you want to make something like Tynan does, you have to think differently, not like bass pattern, but something that is more complex, really groovy, really like swingy, swangy stuff. That's cool. Let's just add some distortion, some chorus, and some compression. That's cool. Some sub bass. I always like to try FM from B. So some filter movement. What we can do is we can add distortion with some of the filter movement again. Filter, let's try comps filter. So if you automate this comp filter with like a separate LFO. Yeah, so we are making some movement right now. Using different oscillators to automate different things. Change the cutoff of it. So we are getting movements from different sources. From volume automation, from the wavetable automation, it's a different rhythm, and from the comps filter right now. Okay, what about this? Okay, then we do a different rhythm. Starts to sound pretty nice. It really takes a lot of time to craft a pretty nice sound, especially when you don't know what you're doing. Sometimes really cool thing happens when you combine like two waves together, where you have like distortion and lots of these effects. Subtle effect, sounds pretty nice. Put some OTT on this, some distortion. Maybe less of the white noise. A little bit of the changes to the rhythm. Oh, that sync sounds pretty nice. Okay, we need something, some pre-drop.
Like this.
And I have this simple detail.
Like this.
Just reverse kick before the drop.
Like this.
Okay, so let's duplicate this guy and we'll do a little bit of the switch here. Make it sound differently a little bit and a little bit maybe different movement or something. Pretty nice.
Kick it like this.
And delete this. I want this to be a pretty simple one. Ooh. Ooh, heck yeah. Nice. Let's just do the... Sounds like Mario. Haha, it's kicking like this. Let's add one more thing. Let's add chant.
Hey, 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 like this.
Okay, so when you make a Serum sound that has a certain pattern, you can like put it a little bit earlier or maybe delay it a little bit. Check this out, what happens.
Like this. Like this. Like this.
Yeah.
This. 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 Like this.
Yeah, let's just put them here. Maybe put this here.
Like this. Like this.
Okay, delete these hi-hats.
Kick it like this.
This is not full enough. It's a good idea to just add some more elements to this. Just fill spaces, I guess. I have this one, maybe. Tiny details that are sitting in the background and filling space.
Like this.
Yeah. And cut low end.
Kick it like this. Like this. Hey, 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 kick it like this.
Nice. These pre-kick impacts, like the reverse, subby, bassy elements, are adding a lot of punch. Hit like crazy. Okay, cool. Let's check this out.
Kick it like this. Kick it like this. Kick it like this.
So that's it. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, you can side on that subscribe button. Also, you can visit my site oversampled.us for some high quality samples, presets, and free sounds.